Today we'll deal with packaging of DNA helix. You can see in the picture itself, in the cell there is a genetic material known as chromosome which contains or which is made up of the DNA genetic material. DNA is organic complex molecular structure found in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes and also in some virus. And DNA is nothing but the hereditary material carrying the genetic information from the parents to the offspring generation after generation. You can see the DNA here, and the DNA consists of 4 nitrogenous base, which is adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine, and DNA backbone. You can see this is the backbone which is made up of sugar phosphate, right? So DNA backbone. In case of prokaryotes, what is the speciality? It does not have a well defined nucleus. That means it does not have a proper nuclear membrane which is enclosing the chromosome, right? Now DNA is present in a special place which is known as nucleoid in the case of prokaryotes, and DNA is negatively charged, held together by some proteins, and it is organized in large loops which is having surrounding with certain proteins, right? You can have the picture of a bacteria. You cannot see a proper nucleus here, nuclear membrane, chromosome, nucleolus, like that. You can see this chromosome lying here and there. The place is nucleoid, right? This hair-like structure is pila, plasma membrane, DNA, nucleoid region, right? Prokaryotes, we have a well-defined nucleus. That means it has a nuclear membrane, nucleolus, chromosome in a particular settled place, and DNA is negatively charged. Okay, negatively charged polymers which is held compactly with a special type of proteins called histones. Very important. And histones is nothing but a ball of positively charged proteins. This outside that there will be the DNA which is held together with this histone proteins, right? This is what you can see a cell. Inside the cell there is proper nucleus. You can see this is the proper nucleus inside which there is chromosome, and this is the chromosome in which the DNA is present, the genetic material is present, right? Both prokaryote and eukaryote. See, this is the eukaryotic cell which has a proper nucleus, a membrane bound nucleus, chromosome inside a proper place, and here you can see there is no membrane outside, there is no well organized nucleus, and DNA is present in the region nucleoid, right? So this is about introduction to packaging of DNA. So we'll see histones in the next class. Watching this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.